so excited. Guys, look at this thing. Hold on. Here it is on our really shaky coffee stand. Let me open it up. How do you open it? Why you won't let me open it? How do I open it? Jeez, that was hard to open. We got La Manual. Don't need this. Anyways. It's quite tiny in there. But I mean, will it get the job done? We'll see. Will it get the job done? Here's the inside. The door. Oh. I didn't even read it. So opening the door, you got a little lever underneath. It's a chef man. Let's put the plates in there. The little circle. Okay, this has to go here. This plate will go in here. Look at that. Remove the sticker. Hold on. Let's plug it in. If I can get the cord off. Let's plug this baby in. There's nothing in it, but let's start it for 2 seconds. Oh, the infamous sound. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm gonna make so many Hot Pockets. Hold on. Let's go check the fridge, guys. Let's go check the fridge. In the freezer. Guys, we have them! I'm not making any right now, but I will later. Anyways, guys, you don't know how to eat? Hit that follow button.